On your Android phone, open the Settings app, scroll down, tap on Advanced Features. In here, tap on Screenshots and Screen Recordings and enable this option Show Toolbar After Capturing. Now, open your WhatsApp and go to the chat or conversation you want to take long screenshots. Now, press volume down button and power button at the same time to take a normal screenshots. And here we can see a icon. So we have to tap this icon to take long screenshots. Or you can just long press or tap and hold this button to take entire conversation screenshots. So I'm just doing it again from start. So I'm just long pressing, and as you can see, my entire conversations successfully screenshots. Now I'm going to my gallery and opening the screenshots, and here we can see the long screenshot. You can zoom in and see the entire screenshots just like this. Thanks for watching.